everybody! I'm here today to show you how to fix a stiff neck fast. I'll be going over an unbelievably easy neck stretching routine that you can use to fix your neck pain and also your neck strain. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, this goes without being said, but I'm going to say it anyways. Only do up to your comfort zone. So only do whatever you feel comfortable doing, okay? So let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is take your neck and take your head, not your neck. Take your head and go in full circles in both directions. 3 circles in either direction. So start by going 3 times this way, okay? Nice and slowly. And this is just to improve your range of motion before we do the stretches, okay? Then 3 times this way. Now you'll notice I'm just kind of keeping my head wherever it wants to go. Okay, I'm not really trying to turn my head in any way that is really stretching it, okay? That was just to help out the range of motion. Now, the next move is we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to intentionally try and look in every direction with our eyes, which will help increase the ability to maneuver our neck for the following stretches. So basically, I'm going to do the same thing 3 times in either direction, but I'm looking to the ceiling, to the side, to the ground, to the side. Just like that. So you can see now, I'm intentionally pointing my eyes in all of the directions like that, just like that. And the other way, ceiling, side, ground, side. Ceiling, side, ground, side. Ceiling, side, ground, side. You'll notice when you do that, I'm a little bit dizzy after that. So, obviously go pretty slowly when you do that. When you do that, you'll notice that you're going to be better at one side than the other side. And that's completely normal. But we're going to work on improving that through these stretches. You could be stiffer on one side than the other side, okay? So next what we're going to do, take your head and we're going to look as far left as we can. Hold it for 3 seconds, then as far right as we can. Hold it for 3 seconds. So like this, look as far left as I can look while keeping my shoulders relatively straight, okay? Then as far right. Hold it for 3 seconds, like that. Do that a few times. Once again, you're gonna be doing this to improve your range of motion and also relieve the neck pain. Now, don't go further than your comfort zone, right? I always say to people, in general in life, get out of your comfort zone, but not when you're doing stretches. Just go until you feel just a slight bit of like a slight bit of discomfort. So I'm just going until my neck won't allow me to go any further, okay? Now comes the real stretch. This is the real stretch that brings everything together. We've already done some serious stretches that will really help you get rid of your neck pain, but this is the one that's going to bring it all together. We did those to improve the range of motion and get rid of some neck pain and neck strain, but this is the one right here, okay? Take your right hand, place it on your left shoulder, pull your left shoulder down. Okay, you're going to feel a little bit using your hand. You're not using your shoulder to pull down that much. It's more with your hand, maybe a little bit of a muscular pull with your shoulder towards a downward motion. Now, so my right hand is on my left shoulder, pulling it down. Now I'm going to look towards my right, okay? And we're going to go, so I'm looking towards the right, and now, so look first a little bit, and now stretch down like that. You might hear a little bit of a crack. We'll see. No, because I already cracked my neck earlier today. Just hold it like that. You can probably hold it and go a little bit further, hold it, then as everything stretches a little bit further, okay? Just like that, okay? Just like that. I got a little tickle because my collar was tickling my neck. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side, okay? Left hand on my right shoulder, pulling that shoulder down. Now we're gonna take our head, look to the left, okay? And stretch it to the left right there. A little bit more, little bit more. Hold it there like that. And you could do that routine as many times as you need to. It's very simple. When you're done, if you're going to feel a lot of pain relief immediately, okay, when you're done all that. But if you want, you can just stretch your neck however you feel comfortable doing. Like for me, I just do something like this. There we go, like that. That's it. So I couldn't crack my neck before I did those stretches. But because I did those stretches, I allowed myself to get some additional range of motion, which means I could crack my neck like that. And all I didn't do anything with any pressure or force. I just took my head, sort of tilted it to one side and then the other side. And now my neck, woo, feels like $1,000,000, baby. Yeah. Woo, it feels great. I'm telling you, it's a simple neck stretch routine. You know, I should do this more often. I would recommend, like, I should do it myself probably every day. It would be very helpful. You would never experience any neck pain. But that's it. That is how to fix a stiff neck fast. An easy neck stretch routine that you can follow at home, in your car, at work, pretty much anywhere that you can imagine. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.